Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Soya Kathi and welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. In order to solve your kitchen troubles and your tiffin troubles, some of India's most loved chefs are bringing you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. So today we're going to make Soya Kathi Roll, which is a nice street food style snack and it can also be a really great lunch option. तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. Let's start with the recipe. I'm going to put on my gas and get my pan to be nice and hot, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add some sliced onions. Now once the onions have slightly changed color, I'm going to add some sliced capsicum. So now my onions are getting a little brown on the edges. I'm going to turn down the flame and I'm going to add some dry spices to this. So I'm going to start with some roasted cumin seed powder, a good amount of dhania powder because that's going to really bring in the flavor, some red chilli powder, pav bhaji masala, always a hit, and just a pinch of garam masala. Give it a very quick mix, and now I'm going to add Kissan Tomato Ketchup. So about 2 tablespoons of Kissan Tomato Ketchup going in, and what this is going to do is it's really going to bring everything together and give it a nice consistency and a little balance of sweet and sour. Mix it up, and now I'm just going to tip in some mini soya chunks which I put in really hot water and I've drained it. Give it a good mix. Sprinkle of salt and a tiny amount of water just to bring all the flavors together, hardly a tablespoon or so. Finally, just a little pinch of sugar for balance and some fresh coriander. इसको mix करके we'll switch off the flame and add a little bit of lemon juice. Always remember to add your lemon juice after you've switched off the flame, नहीं तो पूरी dish कड़वी हो जाएगी. And now we're just going to roll up our rolls. So I've got some whole wheat parathas ready. इसके ऊपर डाल देंगे soya filling just down the middle and roll it up. Just make sure you've tucked everything inside, नहीं तो खाते खाते सब गिर जाता है. Use a square of either foil or butter paper or something just to wrap it up, keep it secure. And along with that, I'm going to keep some roasted chana for a snack and some really nice and cooling grapes. And that's it, our tiffin is ready. I hope you liked this recipe as well. If you did, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I will be back tomorrow with another recipe to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.